cost, you get first the formula, which is the variable cost plus fixed cost. So, first result is 120 plus 0 equals 120. So, the answer 120 is I put it to the table, and the second one is 120 plus 80 equals 200. And then I put it again the answer to the table, and then the third one is 120 plus 120. So I write it, and then the answer is 240. And again, the answer, I put it to the table again, and then 120 plus 150 equals 270. And the fourth one is 120 plus 210 equals 330. And then answer, I put it again to the table, and then the last one is 120 plus 300. So 120 plus 300 equals 420. So the last answer, total cost, is 420. So next, we have marginal cost. And to get the marginal cost, let's have the formula, which is the fixed cost minus total cost. So look at the first answer. First thing I do is 120 minus 120 equals 0. So the second one is 200 minus 150. So I put it in the solution so that I will get the answer. But to make sure the answer is correct, I will use the calculator. So 200 minus 150 equals 80. Again, the answer is I will put it in the table. The third one is 240 minus 200. Again, I will calculate to make sure the answer is correct. So 240 minus 200 equals 40. Then put it again to the table, and then 270 minus 240. So I put it in the solution so that I will calculate. So 270 minus 240 equals 30. The answer, I put it again to the table, and then 330 minus 270. So put it again to the solution, and then 3, and then I will calculate, and then 330 minus last answer of this table. So the last table is average total cost. So to get that, we have the formula first, which is the total cost divided by Q equals average total cost. So first, we have the 120 divided by 0 equals 0. Then the second one is 200 divided by 1 equals 200. So again, the answer is put in the table, and then the third one is 240 divided by 2. So let's calculate. So 240 divided by 2 equals 120. Again, put in the table the answer, and then the third one is 270 divided by 3. Let's calculate again to make sure the answer is correct. So 270 divided by 3 equals 90. So again, put it again to the table, and then the fourth one is 330 divided by 4. So 330 divided by 4 equals